Former Chief Minister of Kerala, Oommen Chandy, spoke exclusively to Times Now. He said that Achyutanandan is a non-performing Chief Minister of the CPM. He's also accused the LDF of using the Parmoleen case as a means of political vendetta against him. Chandy has expressed confidence that the Congress-led UDF will be voted to power in the state with a comfortable majority.
I'm with Mr. Oommen Chandy, the former Chief Minister of Kerala, and if the Congress-led UDF is voted to power, he's most likely to become the next Chief Minister of Kerala. Hello sir, thanks a lot for talking to Times Now.
Thank you.
You have been time and again saying that the Congress-led UDF will be voted back to power. Why? Why do you think so?
So the people wanted a change. Last 5 years, the present government did not do anything for the development of the state. This time they will vote for a development, and the slogan of the UDF is development and care. We want more investment, more employment and more production. At the same time, we have to take care who needy people.
But the fact also being that V.S. Achyutanandan is the war horse of the CPM, he enjoys mass public appeal. Do you think that this will translate into votes?
No. When he was the opposition leader, he said so many things and he fought for many issues. But when he got the power to implement all these things, he did not do anything to materialize that issues. So the people now knew what is Achyutanandan.
Recently we also saw a war of words between Rahul Gandhi and V.S. Achyutanandan, where on one hand Rahul Gandhi spoke about V.S. Achyutanandan's age, on the other hand V.S. Achyutanandan called Rahul Gandhi an Amul baby. What do you have to say to that?
See that when the Chief Minister called Rahul Gandhi Amul boy, that is very unfortunate. So Rahul Gandhi is from a very nationally traditional family. So their sacrifice for the nation we cannot forget. But Achyutanandan for the political gain, he said like that. That is a disgrace to the state also.
Joining us from Pudupalli is our correspondent Prema. Prema, you just spoke to the former Kerala Chief Minister. Give us the main issues that the Kerala government is going to be facing in these elections.
Well, yes, exactly. I spoke to Oommen Chandy, the former Chief Minister of Kerala. In fact, Oommen Chandy has been contesting from Pudupalli in Kottayam. That's where I'm standing. Since the last 41 years or so, he has been contesting every single election in Pudupalli, and every single election he has been winning. So in the last 41 years, he has been winning, and that's why the UDF also this time feels, because of the anti-incumbency wave, the UDF feels that UDF will get a fair majority and will get back to power. But however, on the other hand, the LDF is highly banking on, the CPM-led LDF is highly banking on Chief Minister V.S. Achyutanandan. He is a war horse of the CPM, and he is a mega people puller. In fact, he's a mass leader. So that is one issue which the Congress has. In fact, the Congress fears that this might translate into votes where people who are following V.S. Achyutanandan might start voting for the CPM. But on the other hand, the CPM, we all know, is mired in factionalism. There are two factions within CPM. One is a V.S. Achyutanandan faction, one being the Pinarayi Vijayan faction. Also, there was a last-minute flip-flop in announcing V.S. Achyutanandan's candidature. So there are lots of issues within the CPM, and therefore this time the Congress-led UDF believes that they will have a fair majority, because let's not forget the fact that since 1970, in every single election in Kerala people have been choosing a new government. So not once has a single front come back to power the second time. If it is LDF for the first 5 years, then it is UDF. So this time the UDF believes that it is their chance to come back to power.